Frozen ravioli, ground beef, in just 10 minutes. That's all the prep this Crockpot Ravioli Lasagna needs. Hey friends, today we're going to make one of my old-time favorites. It is a lasagna ravioli. All happens in the crock pot. So I'm going to layer some seasoned ground beef. I use some frozen ravioli, my favorite pasta sauce. I dump it in, put the lid on, and I head out. It's going to be a super easy dinner. I'm going to come home and dinner's going to be made. It's delicious. Let's get into it. We begin by browning up a pound of ground beef. So I'm going to do that here in my pan. While that beef is browning up, I'm going to get my favorite jar of pasta sauce and I'm going to add that to the ground beef once the ground beef is nice and brown. So I'm going to stir that all together so that the ground beef and the jar of pasta is combined very, very well. You can turn the heat down if you want, but you just want to mix these two items together. Next, I'm going to get my frozen cheese ravioli and I'm going to dump it in the crock pot. I've got my crock pot set on low. I'm going to now add the meat sauce to the top of the ravioli. And this is so simple. I mean, this is just the most simple crockpot lasagna ever. Now I'm going to just shake some Parmesan cheese on top, and then I'm going to coat the whole top with mozzarella cheese. The crockpot's on low, and we're going to let this cook for about 4 to 5 hours. I'm going to put the lid on here. There we go. The crockpot's on low. All right, so we put this on low for about 4 to 5 hours. The lasagna smells great. It's all come together here in the crock pot. And I'm gonna, I did let it set up a little bit. I did turn the crock pot off so it was so piping hot that I could be able to eat it here on my video. So here we go. Here is the lasagna. Oh, and look at that cheese wants to hang on there for a moment. But that's how it layers. I mean, it smells so good. I've got mozzarella cheese, my hamburger, those frozen raviolis. I mean, it just turned out great. So I got to get a fork right back. So, okay. So here we go. Let's give this a good taste. And you could use your favorite sauce, right? It doesn't have to be my sauce. You could use your favorite pasta sauce. Before I could say it, 10 out of 10. So delicious, so easy. Here it is, the lasagna ravioli, using up your ground beef, easy dinner, easy cooking at home, 10 out of 10. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.